Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So I know I haven't been posting these Etsy videos consistently, guys, but I am revamping it for the Q4. I have only started Etsy probably 5, maybe 6 months ago, guys, and I'm seeing a lot of great sales and great movement on my Etsy account. So I wanted to go and show you guys an overview of how I've been doing so far. I believe I have 100 and probably 25 or 27 sales at this point since the beginning of time, and I probably have about 15 reviews. And I will talk to you guys this quarter about how to amplify reviews, which I am currently working through the process of doing, as well as keywords and finding good niches to be in for Etsy. So I am wearing one of my Etsy creations, by the way. I couldn't help myself. I have an addiction to eyeball designs, guys. If you like it, there's plenty of all different types of products with this eyeball design on it. Some have 2 eyeballs, some have 3, some have 4, some have veins sticking out of them. So I don't know why I'm obsessed with the eyeball. I bought it for myself, so I paid the digitization fee on the hat, and I will talk to you guys about that as well, because there's something weird going on with Printful that's making mistakes and sometimes charging double digitization fees, cutting into your profit. So overall, guys, you can see this month I have made $935 in revenue. That does not clearly count the cost of the product. I had 31 orders this month, so not bad. And I've been switching my pricing a little bit because I started to realize I don't know how much I'm making. It's really difficult to find how. I know the base cost of the product plus the shipping fee plus the file digitization if they are ordering a hat that is embroidered. But what I was not including was the cut that Etsy takes as well. So I've started marking up some of my prices to $31.99 and running a sale, so it brings it back down to $29.99 to see if I could get a little bit more profit that way, because I am worried that on some of my orders I have lost some profit, and I will go through that with you guys and make sure that's not happening to any of you as well. Super excited for this Q4. There is massive potential and money to be made. And as you can see, I started my Amazon account. If you guys haven't watched my Amazon series, that is where I started. I started my Amazon account literally last year. I'm already in tier 500, have really good consistent sales, and right now I'm barely touching it. So I plan on being more proactive this upcoming quarter. So we'll see how that goes. So let's check my all-time, if that's even an option. All time. Alrighty, so my visits are 11,900. Sorry guys, I don't know where my brain is today. 11,900 visits, 112 orders. So my conversion rate's not that high. I plan on getting it higher, and I've had issues before where my listings weren't showing, even if I typed in the exact title name, and even though Etsy was telling me they were still active and available, there was an issue with Etsy that wasn't. So I will repost that video or link it down below to show you guys how to get that moving forward. And you do have to do regular checks to make sure something didn't happen in a glitch and it like deactivated your listings, even though it shows active on the front screen. So revenue is $3,292 today, and again, that does not include the base cost of the product, and I know you guys know that. So yeah, it's saying shoppers viewed my listings 14,000 or close to 15,000 times. And I'm going to go ahead and just go and show you a couple of my listings here. Guys, I just wanted to pop on, let you know I will be very, very active this quarter. I will be posting a video at least once a week on my Etsy account as well as on my merch account. So if you guys have not seen my merch series and you're interested in trying it, please go ahead and look at it and click the links. It will help you 100%. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching.